How to install BONOSS forged wheel lug nuts. Installing these wheel lug nuts is an easy way for you. Remove one of your original wheel nuts, then install BONOSS forged wheel lug nuts on the rim hole. Use the right torque to tighten it up. Same steps for other lug nuts and install them in a star pattern. Installing aftermarket lug nuts brings personality to your vehicle. Usually, they come in a variety of colors and styles. By using lug nuts of different styles, you can make the rims more attractive. BONOSS wheel lug nuts are made of aluminum. The aluminum weights are about 30% lighter than steel, also have a higher strength than other steel lug nuts. Lighter weight can reduce fuel consumption and vehicle losses, effectively improving driving performance. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.